Now where bank doesn't issue any kind of treasury bills or bonds, any type of investment out there due to the pandemic. They have no investment out there. Well guys, in this video I'll show you guys this wonderful platform that will pay you up to 6 to 9% or even 10% return on your investment. That's your ROI, just by investing in this wonderful platform. And trust me, this platform is quite secured and good to go. I'll show you guys all the secrets in this video. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Welcome back guys, I'm Chido Original. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel I teach you guys everything and anything you need to know about making money online, investing your money and making your money work for you as well. So you might consider hitting that red subscribe button below and turning on the bell notification beside it so you'll be notified each time I drop great videos like this. So that being said, the website I'm going to be showing you guys is called CareerWise. So what is CareerWise? If I go to Google and search CareerWise, it's a Nigerian financial technology and financial service company based in Lagos, Nigeria, founded by Razak Ahmed. Pardon me if I didn't pronounce it right. And this guy is actually in Nigeria. So this name might look strange or foreign to you, but it's a black guy and it's in Nigeria. And it's founded since 2017 July. So this is basically what the company does. You save and invest, just like the first website I showed you guys in my video. I'll leave the video on the icon above, just check it out. It's similar to this CareerWise. So CareerWise is available on Apple Store and Play Store. Get your money working. So you save your money, and at the end of the month or year, depending on how long you want to leave it out there, it gives you return on your investment. So as you can see, plan money. The future can be even brighter, but a goal without a plan is just a wish. So this is plan your money, save your money, invest your money. So as you save, you invest. I'll show you guys how to sign up, how to register, and all the secrets and what to avoid and what to do. Create account, add a payment method, watch your money grow. As simple as that. Over time it just compounds, and trust me, compound interest is the best type of interest you want to have for yourself. So this is their interface. Go through their interface and learn more, read through their testimonials and understand them. This is their contact information, their phone number, their email address. You can contact them, go through their frequently asked questions and all that. So basically invest in mutual funds through this wonderful platform CareerWise, and it's proudly Nigerian and it's regulated by the SEC. So this is the SEC, rather, the Securities and Exchange Commission of Nigeria. So this is the organization that regulates CareerWise. Okay, so it's secured and approved by CAC and all the regulations you want to go. So it's fully secured. So that's the point. So real quick, let me show you guys how to sign up. So once you want to sign up, come here. But I'll encourage you guys to use the link on the description box below. If you use the link, you get a bonus. Sometimes it's like 1,000 naira, sometimes 500, sometimes 250. It just varies. So once you use the link, whatever you get is what you get. So you can get more money or whatever just for the welcome bonus. So make sure you use the code below. So come here and click on sign. Guys, once you click on sign up, you have to put your first name, and your last name as well. Then you put your phone number. So this is Michael Amachuku. You put your phone number. I'm gonna use this phone number for the purpose of this tutorial, so I'm gonna use this. So put your email address that you want to use. I'll use Chido Original 247@gmail.com. So contact me if you have any proposal, business proposition or whatever have you. Just contact me on this Chido Original 247@gmail.com. The link is on the description box below. So I'll quickly put a password that I can remember. So let me do that real quick. So this is the password I want to use. Then here is where the invite code is. Click on invite code. Then the invite code will be on the description box below. If you use it, you get the bonus that I promised you guys. Sometimes 1,000 and above. Whatever you get is what you get. So use the invite code. If you don't, you won't get. So put the invite code below here. So there's no need. I already have an account. I'll quickly sign in and show you guys how the interface works. So once you put the invite code, just click on continue and you're done. Verify your email and that's it. So come to your email box, you see their email that they sent, CarrierWise. Click on your CarrierWise to activate it. So just click on activate email. So once you click on it, it will load up the interface again, so you see your dashboard and see every information that you need to start up. So it's loading up, guys. If you have any question, any comment so far, just leave it on the comment section below. Like you know me always, I always respond to all my comments. That's because I value you guys out there. So leave any comment below. So activation successful. Congratulations, my account is active. Please log in. So click on login and put your credentials, Chido Original 247 and the password used, and click on sign in. So now your account is fully verified and functional. So it open up the dashboard and I'll show you guys what to do next. That's what you will see is this. So this is your home page, but keep in mind you have to put your BVN, which I've done. I don't want to show it on this video. And also you have to put your information like date of birth and other information that they need, which you can easily do, as well as your PIN. So after that, this is the home page. You see your total balance, portfolio growth, you see build emergency fund, new savings fund, invest in mutual funds, find your circle, which I'll explain everything in this video. So make sure you stick to the end, scoring 10 over 100 and all that. So this is basically your summary page, your savings, your investments, your stash. So quickly come to this tab, plans. So here is where you can invest or save. So I can create a new savings, and at the end of a period of like 3 months, like this is a regular savings. So regular savings is a minimum of 3 months. So if I put any money inside this regular savings, after 3 months they will give me my own ROI, like return on investment, depending on how much they offer for that given period. So it varies. It's not something that is fixed. So for a period of 3 months, you can save and earn interest. So they give interest for regular saving. You can as well go for emergency plan, long-term savings for emergency. So you can, these are long-term, like a year and above. So this is whole savings, and this is life goal. If you have a life goal, minimum of a year, as you can see, so 1 year period and above. So saving cycle, they have other ones. So go through all these, and all of them are giving you guys great ROI. So they are giving you guys great value for your money. And if you come down here, you can see your history tab, so your savings history, your investment history, your withdrawal history. So one cool thing I like about this CarrierWise is that it's instant. Once you click on withdraw, your money appears on your local bank account instantly without any hassle or any delay. So another cool way to earn on this is using their referral program, which I showed you guys while registering. So this is my code, MikeQZ7. So it will be on below on the description box. So once you use it to register, you get a bonus of 250 naira, and I get 250 naira. So this is what they offer from now. It varies. So that's what I'm trying to tell you guys. So it varies. So use this code, I can copy it and use it to register and get this cash for you. So that's the referral for you guys. And come down to payment, you can add your card payments that you want to use to deposit money here, so you can invest in future, or you can add your bank account for your withdrawal purposes. So you can easily do that. If I come to cards, add new card, to add card and verify card, they have a cost of 100 naira you will be charged. So if I proceed, I'll now put my card information, and likewise the bank, you put your bank account and your bank name and all that. So that's how it works basically. And they have a 24-hour chat support. So this is their chat support system. Here you can easily chat with anybody real quick. It's loading up, guys. You can easily chat with anybody concerning any issues or any inquiry, further inquiry you want to make, or any clarification you want to be clarified about or whatever. So you can just message them here on their chat section, and it's live and they will get back to you ASAP. So this app is available on Apple Store and Play Store. So it has the mobile version apps, so you can use it as an application. This is just the website, and use it on the go. So coming back to the home page, and your return is given to you on a daily basis, so you can monitor your return every day, how it's increasing and all that. So on a daily basis you are updated, and you can monitor how you are growing and all that. So coming back here to mutual funds, so you can invest in mutual funds. So I'll show you guys about these mutual funds. Basically, there are many ways to invest: savings, mutual funds, referral program, which I showed you guys. So this is the mutual fund. You can invest in the dollar mutual fund. So they have the both dollar mutual funds and naira mutual fund. So this is dollar mutual funds. Let me click on invest now, and they have many plans. So this is Nigeria Euro bond fund. So it goes return by 7.09%. That's the return on investment that we believe is 7.09. So this is another one, ARM Euro bond fund. So this is less than 1%. That's 0.44%, right? So this is the tool that they have as of the day I'm recording this video. This is the 5th of January 2021. So this is what I have now, but they update their system and they have other mutual funds that you can join with better ROIs as the case may be. So this is the best one for now. I encourage you guys to go with this option. The return on investment is great, and it's in dollars, right? It's in dollars mutual fund. So likewise, they have the naira mutual funds as well. So you can go through this and start investing. So you deposit your money through the payment platform. So this is the payment platform where you add your card to deposit money and your bank to withdraw your funds. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys on my next video.